So, LED strips then. We sell a range of LED strips. They're available either in a 1/2 metre reel or in a 5 metre reel. We have red, green, yellow, blue and white colours available. So, what is the LED strip? Let's have a close-up look at what one looks like. This is the 1/2 metre length of LED strip. And if we just slide that out, you'll be able to see on here that we've got cut points at every 5 centimetres. So these can be chopped up into smaller lengths to whatever size you want. So if you wanted to do a display, then what we can do is we can chop these up. This display here, we've demonstrated a few different colours of the LED strips. So that's what you can do with them. Perfect for going under kitchen cabinets and in decorations and the like. So what I'm now going to do is we're just going to take a look at the bigger reel. This is a 5 metre reel, and what we've got on here, there's 2 wires. There's a black wire and a red wire on there, and I've got a 12-volt power supply. So I'm just going to connect up, obviously, the red wire to red and the black to ground. And when we do that, obviously the full reel lights up. So there we go. So it is very straightforward to use, and we can obviously cut that up into whatever lengths we like. So looking at this from a more practical point of view, I'm just going to do a little bit on the whiteboard, illustrating exactly how the LEDs work and what's going on inside them. So each of those 5 centimetre strips with the cut point has got 3 LEDs in it. And the way that they're connected up, there's a power rail that runs all the way through for 0 volts and for 12 volts, and each of these 3 LEDs is connected up inside that. And there's also a current limit resistor, and that it sits in there, and then exactly the same thing is copied across there. So you can connect them together. Now, if you've got different colours, then it's possible to take these LED strips and join another section together. When you're doing this, you just need to make sure on the LED strip itself there's a little plus and minus marking, and obviously plus to plus, minus to minus. And if we wanted to, we could connect another set of strips up here. In fact, we can connect as many strips as we like together. The alternative way of connecting these would be that if you wanted to connect them from one location, then we can connect them just like that. So that's the options with the LED strips. In terms of how many LED strips can you use, that really depends on the type of power supply that you're using. If you're using a 1/2 amp power supply, and all these are 12-volt LED strips, if you're using a 1/2 amp power supply, you can do 1 1/4 meters of LED strips. You can do a full reel with a 2.5 amp power supply, and with a 5 amp power supply, you can do two reels and 10 meters of strip. So in terms of, if you're searching for items, 1/2 amp power supply, if you put our stock code 2260 in the search box, the 2.5 amp one, the code on that one is 2266, and we've just released, although we're waiting on stock, a 5 amp wall mount power supply, which is perfect for those installations in the house. And the stock code on that one, 2205. And if you are looking for the LED strips themselves, if you just look up flexible LED strips, and you'll find those in the LED section.